Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
All right, everybody. Here we go. It's 11:20. I was supposed to meet Trevor at 11. It's gonna take me at least 20 minutes to get there. And I have gone the wrong way on University. I am a jackass. We're flying with friends today. We'll see. Yeah. I finally met up with Trevor. There's Trevor. And we're gonna get flying. You guys, vlogging is hard. There's a lot of stuff. I got quads to carry. Then I really need to get a real bag so I can put them in my bag or on my bag, like Trevor's got. We're walking to the first spot. Trevor,
back there somewhere.
Trevor, how do you feel about this whole adventure?
I feel good.
I feel good too.
Yeah.
I think this is gonna be a good day.
It's from like Google
Oh my
Maps.
God.
Yeah, dude. So I used to live across the street, and looking at this building was like, damn.
Wow.
That was a Flight Club. Flight Club. Thanks to the guys at Flight Club. Check this out. Got a power button here on my Fat Sharks. Man, Fat Shark, why? Why is there no power button? It's a little thing. And it's not even a problem when I'm like just handling the goggles and playing with them. But when they're on my face and like I'm getting ready to fly and I pull my goggles down and it's dark and then I fumble with this damn connector trying to plug it in, man, it's frustrating. So
Everybody can yell at the Fat Shark.
LED, it lights up blue if you can see that. It's beautiful.
One of my motors came off. Two of my motors came off.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's a dumb man shit right there.
Oh, it's so fast. like you came out of a loop and then you came along the building and did like a couple of like rolls or something.
Yeah.
That looked like sweet from just
Was watching?
third person watching, yeah.
Why am I wearing a headband? Because I like to put it right there. So when I put my goggles up, the goggles don't dig into my head. How you doing, Trev?
Good.
That's non-grumpy Trev. That's happy Trev.
US Happy Trev.
We have UAV Futures has grumpy Trev. We have happy Trev. Pilot quads. 220X frame, yay! Freaking iFlight, boo! I'm going to get a new one. I don't know if I'm going to get another one of these or just get another QAVX. I'll probably just get a QAVX. I like this frame. It's a lot lighter, but the QAVX frame is stronger. This is maybe like, I don't know, about 30 grams lighter actually than the QAVX frame. So I might get another one. It's pretty light. I like it a lot. And on these DYS fired 2600 KVs, you need a lighter frame. All right. Let's go eat some shit. Where are we gonna go? We're gonna go to the place you're talking about?
The Chinese food place.
Alright.
It's walking distance.
You wanna leave the stuff here and walk over there?
Yeah, it's right there.
Every night.
Ah, Oriental Cafe.
Yeah.
Like, wait a minute.
Closed.
I don't think Asians call themselves Oriental, do they? Maybe they're closed.
Yeah.
That looks closed, everybody.
Yeah, it was closed.
I don't hear the walking. All right, we're in like under construction plaza because the first plaza we went to, my restaurant was closed. The restaurant we went to was closed. There's a Lido Pizza and like Gulin Restaurant. Gulin. That's like Shaolin, but with goo. Let's go check it out. Looks like there's nowhere to sit. Gulin delivers. Grubhub. Oh, there's a sit down. We don't want to sit down, right? We need to try the batteries.
We can probably get it some carrying.
All right. Gulin.
It's a confidence thing.
I've never eaten it before. Yeah. Hi. This one, yeah. This I bought off Amazon. It's a shotgun mic, and what I did was I took the pod, P-O-D.
POD or gorilla pod.
Gorilla, like an ape gorilla.
Oh, gorilla pod.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
If you're helping these people get a good vlog setup.
Thank you.
Yep.
All right, thank you.
See you guys.
All right, there's a
Good times and adventures at the plaza. Where we going?
Down the road.
right.
Find a Wendy's.
We're going down the road to find a Wendy's because we want some basic.
And
We don't want to like
basic.
try our stomachs on a day we should be flying. We get the regular old good from regular old places, so we don't end up with fucking diarrhea halfway through the day, and that would suck. Ugh. So let's get going. Yo, son, I'm God.
This is our
Shade. Yeah, we could definitely charge right here. We got a little space now. Let's go get food first, and we'll set up all this other crap. Make sure my shit is locked, son. I don't know about this area. They gotta fix a phone. They got a bike shop. That's how you know you're in a good area. There's a bike shop there.
Ha! Subtle, but true.
Sound like we've never seen the menus at Wendy's before. All right, I'm gonna order some food. You guys don't need to see that. Number 6, medium with the root beer and a small chocolate froth. And then, Trevor, I realized I don't have my wallet. Give me 1 second. Thank you. See that? That's what friends are for. That's why we fly with friends.
Yeah, that's right.
Healthy Wendy's meal. French fries. Chicken burger. This quad and this quad. God damn it. Is this a ripped back? Did I charge this back? I don't know.
Why won't you die?
Let's just call it a ripped back for right now, because I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. Problem being, there's a lot of gnats out. There are a lot of gnats. We don't know what to do about that.
Whoa, look at them. Whoa. Do you see the gnats? I feel them. I hear them.
Trevor's quad is up in a tree. That guy's doing wheelies. So here he goes. He's gonna get up there. Let me unplug my quad. Coming down. No! I wish you would have said something. Alright, now I gotta try out the what are those props?
I'm eating gnats now.
Let's call it and move it.
Yeah.
Because that's gross. The gnats are just like out of control. Next time I'll bring like a battery operated fan. We'll figure something out. Final flight. Let's not screw it up. All right, guys. We're back at the coolest building ever.
Add more water.
Awesome Fisher Price beats. I was wondering if I could get a repost. Like repost for repost. TY buddy.
I could have punked out. But like, I need to finish grout in the kitchen like I promised my wife I'd do.